Alright, let's make sure my hair looks okay. Wait, I don't have much hair, so I'm good there. Feel like I'm forgetting something. Why is it so hard to see? Oh, I need my glasses. Here they are. Alright, now wait, these are backwards. Okay, or upside down, I should say. Now we're ready to go. Alright, time to push record. Oh, it's already recording. That is so silly. Welcome, fourth graders. I am super excited to begin this lesson with you. Let's look at today's learning target for math. There's a little bit of a glare, but it says, I can read, write, and identify the place value of numbers. I am going to show you this really cool number, 9,730. So let me explain what the place value is. That's the thousands, that's the hundreds, that's the tens, that's the ones. So let's break this number apart and look at what those mean. This is so cool that I have these arrow cards. I love this. So that 9,000, I'm going to write that number up here again that we had. So here's that 9,730. So that 9,000, that 9 in the thousand spot means 9,000. So if we broke this apart, that's what that 9 means. That 7 in the hundred spot means 700. This is so cool. And then that 3 in the 10 spot means 30. And this 0 would just be a 0. That's all you'd have there in the 1 spot. So that's what it would look like if we broke it apart. When this number is put together, though, it looks like that. And we read it as 9,730. Remember, this is thousands, this is hundreds, this is tens, this is ones. Now I'm going to show you something different. Here is 2, 20, 200, 2,000. This is the ones spot. This is the ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands. My question for you that we will talk about in group is, how can we make a 2 into a 20? And the hint is it's not adding. How can we make 20 into 200? How can we make 200 into 2,000? We will talk about that in group. So let's review place value very quickly. Whoopsie. So we have that number again, 9,730. This is the thousand spot. This is the hundreds, tens, ones. When we break it apart, if a number's in the thousand spot, it looks like that. It could be any number. Let's say that it was 6,000. Let's say that was 6,680. It's still the same thing. The tens means that I have 8 tens, so it looks like 80. I have 600, so it looks like 600. I have 6,000, so it looks like 6,000s. Remember, your question is, how do we get from a 2 to a 20? What do we have to do? We'll talk about that in group.